Hello, this is Engineering, Science, and Design librarian Emily Damermuth, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to browse architectural case studies in the Detail Inspiration database. From your class guide, click on the link for Detail Inspiration. You can search in this database, typing in the name of a specific building or architect, but in this tutorial, we'll focus on browsing. So I'm going to click on More Options under the search bar. This will bring up a filter list of different ways you can browse buildings by type, construction, material, topic, location, and even year of construction. Let's look at the different building types. As you can see, there are many different types of buildings listed. And under each of these options, there are further, more specific kinds of buildings. I'm going to look at all the different kinds of sport and leisure buildings. So I'll check the All box, and then I'll scroll down and click Search. Here we have a list of about 150 different buildings. There's also articles on architectural and design topics included. I'm going to add another filter. I'm going to filter by location, and I'll select France. Since the 2024 Olympics have been going on, click Search again to narrow down the results. And now we have 17 different buildings and articles about sport and leisure buildings in France. I'll choose one to look at as an example, the Sports Hall in Calais. Click on it, and it will open a page with a little bit of information about the building, another short paragraph of information, a lot of images of the building. You want to make sure you do open the PDF document though, as that has more details about the building and plan images for the building. After the PDF loads, you can look through the document. It is in both German and English, the same information presented in both languages. And you'll see that there are more images, descriptions of the building, as well as the plans.